Is it hard to create an? Of course, it's hard. How to create? No. How do I create an online video? So before I show you how I create one, let me first do a little disclaimer. There are two strategies that I know of when you're creating online training, online videos. One is more of my genre, which is a lot more spontaneous, free form, go with the flow, like let's discover things together. And I'm going to catch it on videotape and I'm going to show you what happened. If you are a subscriber to that method, it's great as long as it's great. And when it's not, it's not. It relies a lot on getting in the flow. Like, okay, here, actually, let me show you something. I'm going to open my my recycle bin. Here you go. This is my recycle bin. Now, today is November 25th. So these are all outtakes. If I just scroll like that, okay, there, November 25th ended. So what is that? That's it's a couple. It's about 4 gigs of video outtakes, 43 items. That's 24th was a Sunday. You got to give me a little grace there. And it's just scroll down. I mean, these are just the video files. Some of them could be 30 seconds. Some of them could be 15 minutes. It's essentially ones where I either couldn't get started or it went so far off the rails. I'm like, done, can't recover. There's no way out of this. So that's one method, which has a lot of time spent getting in the flow, kind of getting in a groove, and everything just kind of goes rapid fire from there. The other way of recording videos is a lot more heavy on the planning, the scripting, the editing, and both ways are great, and both ways have their advantages and disadvantages. But overall, the big picture that I will say is, for me, the hardest thing about recording videos is literally hitting the record button. Like, if I'm sitting there thinking about what I'm going to say, I die. The more that I think, the more I get in conundrums, and I'm like, I can't remember, and I blow up. The best recordings that I do are the ones where I literally just hit the record button and I start talking. And somewhere in there, magic's going to happen. And it may take 50 outtakes before it actually does. But once I'm there, I can just go and go and go. And it's like all the worlds have aligned. So hopefully that answers your question. Hopefully, if you're looking at getting into online training, that helps you get started, because it's sometimes the biggest barrier is literally just hitting the record button and going.